If you need to create a user in WordPress through Bluehost, this video will walk you through the full process step by step, quickly and clearly. Whether you are adding a new team member, a contributor, an editor, or an administrator, this is one of the easiest ways to manage access to your WordPress site from your Bluehost account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple WordPress and hosting guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you are inside your hosting dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost shows all of the sites connected to your account. Next, find the WordPress website where you want to create the new user and click Manage Site. This opens the settings for that specific website, so make sure you choose the correct one if you manage more than one site. From there, click WordPress Admin. This will take you directly into the WordPress dashboard for that site. Once the WordPress Admin area loads, look for the Users option in the menu. This is the section where you can view existing accounts, add new users, and manage roles and permissions. Go ahead and click Users, then select Add New User. On this screen, you will see the form used to create a brand new WordPress account. Start by entering a username. Choose something that is easy to identify and appropriate for the person who will use the account. Next, enter the user's email address. This is important because WordPress uses that email for account communication, login-related messages, and password resets. After that, you can fill in the first name and last name fields if needed. These fields are optional, but they help keep your site organized, especially if you are managing multiple users or publishing content regularly. Now look at the website field. If the user does not have a personal site, or if it is not necessary for the account, you can leave this blank. If they do have a website and you want to include it, you can add it here. Then it's time to set a password. You can either type in a password manually or click Generate Password to let WordPress create one for you. If you use the generated password, make sure to save it securely and share it with the new user through a safe method. A strong password is always recommended to help protect your WordPress site. After that, choose the user's role. This step is very important because it controls what the person can do inside your website. For example, if the user will only edit content, you might choose Editor. If they need full control over the website, you might choose Administrator. Always give the lowest level of access needed for the job because that helps keep your site safer and more organized. Once everything looks correct, click Add New User to finish creating the account. WordPress will add the user to your site and they will now be able to log in with the details you entered. That's it. You have successfully created a new user in WordPress using Bluehost. If you want more WordPress tutorials, Bluehost walkthroughs, and beginner-friendly website tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and lets you keep up with more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.